What is queer identity and gender expression? Have you ever wondered what queer identity and gender expression really mean? These terms are essential for understanding how many people experience their identities. Queer identity is an inclusive term for those whose sexual orientation or gender identity does not fit traditional categories. This includes people who identify as gay, lesbian, bisexual, pansexual, or asexual, among others. The word queer has been embraced by many in the LGBTQ+ community as a positive way to express their diverse experiences. Gender expression is how someone shows their gender identity to the world. This can be through clothing, hairstyle, behavior, and even voice. It is important to know that gender expression is different from gender identity. For example, a person may identify as non-binary but express themselves in ways that are traditionally seen as masculine, feminine, or a mix of both. Gender expression can change over time or depending on the situation. In a supportive environment for LGBTQ+ teens, understanding these concepts is vital. Queer identity and gender expression are personal and can vary widely from one individual to another. Many teens may choose to use the term queer as a flexible label while they figure out what feels right for them. It is essential to respect each person's chosen identity and expression without forcing them into specific categories. Creating a safe space for teens means encouraging them to express themselves authentically. This can involve providing resources that explain different identities and expressions. Open conversations about identity should happen without judgment. Respecting pronouns and using inclusive language helps build a community where everyone feels seen and accepted. Practical support can include hosting workshops or discussions about queer identity and gender expression. This allows teens to learn from each other and share their experiences. Schools and community centers can play a big role in offering these resources. By understanding queer identity and gender expression, we can create a more accepting and supportive space for all teens. It is about recognizing the unique journeys each person takes in discovering who they are.